What's up? Siopaw. Tissue. Fried rice. Bali guys, today is mag-chowking tayo. Chowpan na Shanghai. Although, hindi naman ako social eh. Nakalimutan ko nung nagbaon dahil alam mo naman, anong yan? Friday. Friday is chowking time. And then, wait a minute. We have more pork and sweet and sour. Okay, let's go. Wait a minute. I will check the it's back. Oh my god, very delicious. Wow! Oh my god. What's up, my nigga? Bali, ilinipat ko lang po sa plato dahil hindi po ako sanay kumain sa karton.
Oh my god!
Nakakal na lang na ako, kakain pa ba ako sa karton, di ba? What up? Shout out sa shout out tayo. May siopaw po ako, tapos kung kumain. At may extra fried rice. So, let's go it with buko. Buko. Let's go!